Well, good Sunday morning to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. I know I am, but I'm here to tell you, Lord, I just been jammed up at work, and gracious almighty, I just been trying to cut some grass. Lord, you know it rains, grass grow. Give me a second, we finna walk over yonder, and I'm gonna show you what I'm working on today. All right, you and y'all, here we go. I got a hold of some composted organic humus, about 10 bags worth. What I done did was I added about six bags of that organic humus to my raised bed, my other side of my 16-foot raised bed. I'm gonna get ahead and incorporate that humus into the soil, because you know what? We got to get our fall crops in. And I'm here to tell you, I got out here about 0600 this morning. Because, Lord, you got to get out here for the sun come up here in East Central Mississippi. But anyways, what I done did was I put 2 bags on this side of the 16-foot raised bed and make that a total of 6 bags of organic humus, 6 bags of organic humus. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you and y'all what we're going to plan out here for the fall crop over here at my home in the sticks. I kind of hit it on the head last year in September. About the middle of September, but I'm here to tell you it is really warm for being the middle of September here in East Central Mississippi. We finna walk over yonder. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna plan out this year. So give me a second. All right, let's me show you. What we got here is I'm planning out some broccoli, some stonehead cabbage. Never really planted the stonehead cabbage before, but from what I understand, the stonehead cabbage has a real small, tight head. So we're gonna try stonehead cabbage this year. I'm actually going to plant out some cauliflower this year. I haven't done that in a while, and I am trying something new on my collards. This is a true blue Georgia collard. It's not a hybrid, but it is the true blue Georgia collard. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's got that kind of bluish tint to the leaf. So dang, gonna try that because I like collards. It don't matter what color they are, I just like collards. And something sure enough new I've never grown over here before is that right there. And this is rutabagas. I've never ever grown rutabagas before. But I'm here to tell you, I sure enough love eating some rutabagas. We're gonna take all of this stuff over there to the raised beds and let's just see if we can get them in the ground and get some stuff growing for the fall crop. That's what we finna do. All right, y'all, here we go. Got my beds pretty much turned in real good. I incorporated that humus into this bed as well as this bed. What we're gonna do is over here, what I plan on doing is I'm gonna plant the rutabagas right here in with the beans. I believe they companion plant really well from what I've read. And did you know that a rutabaga is like a cross between a cabbage and a turnip? I didn't know that, but let's get to planting these guys. And I do believe we're gonna plant these guys at about maybe 6 inches apart, possibly. Some really good roots on them. Just gonna plant them on in. Kind of gonna look like that right there. So let me get these rutabagas in, and I'll show you what it looks like. Right, rutabagas are finished. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So that's the rutabagas. What I'm gonna do is, once I get done with this other side of the 16-foot raised bed, I do believe I'm just gonna go ahead and mulch everything in now. I'm gonna get started on this other side of the 16-foot bed, and we're gonna put in our collards, broccoli, and cauliflower. I don't know if y'all know this or not, y'all may have seen it, but I'm a real big fan of planting everything densely, like everything close together, because I don't know, it just looks cool and I just like planting it like that. So let's get to planting this stuff. All right, first thing we're gonna get in the ground is our true blue Georgia collards. Let's start off on this end right here. Boy, these need some water too. Try to maximize all the space in this raised bed. I haven't been too good at doing that, but I'm certainly going to start doing it this go round. See how dry these roots are? And I watered them yesterday. Right, on to the cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. All right. Lord, it's getting warm out here. But let me show you what I done did. We got our collards, our cauliflower. I believe this is broccoli. Yeah, got our broccoli. And here is our stonehead cabbage. I think it's a good start to the fall crop. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go on and water these guys in. Maybe wait till this evening, and I may just mulch everybody in and just be done with it. So let me get to watering these guys and I'll bring you right back. Okie dokie, y'all. We got everybody watered in. Let me show you what it looking like. I think it's looking good. Rutabagas are in the ground. It done got hot out here. I was expecting it to be a little bit cooler per what I saw on the weather, monitoring the weather. That's okay. So a couple of these guys are looking stunted from being transplanted, and the root system wasn't wet, or the plants weren't watered in, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully I won't lose any, but if I do, that's okay. We'll just drive on. So y'all, hope everybody's having a showing off good weekend. And I'm telling you, it's a hot one over here in East Central Mississippi. But if you are in the heat, y'all stay cool, stay hydrated. And if you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over, give me a look. Because I'm always doing stuff. Really. And with that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine, and I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, especially when you're trying to get your fall garden going. That's right. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.